So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then select more sound settings. Now once we're here, make sure that you're on the playback tab. You want to find your speakers, double click on it, and then go to levels. Make sure that you have both left and right on 100. And then click on OK. And then click on OK again. See if that works. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on accessibility. And now you want to scroll down until we find audio. Click on this. And now once you're on this, make sure that you have mono audio turned off. You can try turning it on to see if that works, but for most of you guys, you should keep it off either way. For the next method, go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find audio. Click on run. And now this will come up. The Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Click on yes to run the Windows Audio Diagnostics. You want to go through all the steps that will come up here and then see if that works. For the last method, restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then see if that works. If not, then your headset is probably broken.